Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll be having a look at Gamium. What exactly is Gamium? We'll be having a look at the white papers, so we will do an in-depth review. We will also do a price analysis and price prediction of the current price of the token, which is 0.007 cents per coin. There's a huge supply, that's around 4,170,000,000 token in circulating supply, allegedly. This is self-reported from Gamium itself, so essentially it's not confirmed by CoinMarketCap. The max supply of token, it's 50 billion, so that's quite significant. But yeah, this token has recently been released, so it's recently at an ICO. So it's quite new on the market. Its all-time high was just around 1 cent, I believe, so just above 1 cent. That was the all-time high. That was quite recent. So we're going to take a look at the white paper itself. We'll also go for a few other things, such as the governance token. We'll go through the roadmap and tokenomics. And if we have any time, we'll go through the blog and discuss some of the latest updates. But first thing we must understand is Gamium itself. What exactly is Gamium? Well, it's a Web3 Metaverse technology company with its sole purpose, a sole mission of creating the first metaverse that interconnects all of them, making avatar and assets multi-metaverse compatible. So here are a couple of things that Gamium is building. The first is the avatar, a digital identity that can be used across all Web3 and metaverse applications, allowing unique interoperability and usability. Next up, we've got the decentralized social metaverse, a virtual world that allows everyone to build whatever they want through the Gamium SDK. Essentially, the SDK is the software developers kit that allows software developers such as programmers to build out applications like dApps. And that's exactly what they want. They want more developers to build out more applications on their platform. Now, the best place to get the information you require about this token is on its white paper, in my opinion. It's been really helpful. So next thing we'll have a look at is the avatar itself. What is avatar? So when you think of avatar, we believe that it's just a graphics representation of a person in a digital world, but it's much more than that. I'm reading this word for word. An avatar is a unique digital human identity represented by a soulmate NFT that brings all the digital footprints of a user into a unified entity. So these digital footprints include 3D and autonomies and on-chain and off-chain data. So having a digital identity is incredibly important, a topic you can learn more about more on the white paper. There's links to this. Any metaverse and Web3 application can integrate this identity technology through Gamium Avatar SDK to unlock more value for their users. Now there's much more involved in this, such as Gamium lands. A land is a digital piece of real estate in the Gamium metaverse. And essentially, users can use the Gamium SDK to build digital experiences and populate their lands with assets. Now, each land is a unique NFT, a non-fungible ERC 721 token. And the interesting thing is that there will be a total of 65,536 Gamium lands for sale. So that's just a brief introduction into Gamium and its white paper. We want to understand what they've done in Q1 of 2022 so far. That's Gamium public presale, Gamium public listing, Avatar NFT generation event, Metaverse interoperability integration, AI on Avatar blockchain data, Gamium airdrop, Gamium customization, MST tokenomics, and launch. So there was an airdrop, there was a tokenomics on launch, so we'll have a look at the tokenomics as well. Now in Q2 of 2022, which is where we are right now, milestone 4 for Gamium, they're working on a NFT marketplace, social features integration, socialize to earn integration. The GMM is the native token of Gamium, it's the main token, and they'll also be working on a DeFi integration. Onwards to Q3, they've got IMO integration, gamification integration and testing, SDK for building, and beta release. Now at the end of this year, they've got the public release, which would be most likely in October, November, or December, public release and game implementation. That's a quick look at the roadmap for the entirety of this year. It's quite exciting, it's well packed. Now I am curious about the token distribution, of course. We've got token vesting, which is basically like the releasing of the tokens over time. Token distribution, airdrop gets 1%, early supporters is 1%, private sale, looks like they get 15%, public pre-sale is 3%, community is 2%, advisors is 6%, staking is 7%, liquidity is 1%, and treasury is a whopping 25%, with 18% going to marketing and an additional 18% going to team and only 3% going to exchange reserves. So that was quite significant. So max supply, or rather total supply, is 50 billion. It's quite insane. Initial market cap at launch was 714,000 US dollars. That was the market cap at launch. The alleged market cap right now is 30 million. But this data could be incorrect because it hasn't been confirmed. That's just a quick disclaimer. The real question is, where can we expect the price to go now that we've known that there's been an all-time high of just above 1 cent? Where can we expect the price to go? If the metaverse that they are building, if that goes well, could we be looking at a token that's sitting around 10 cents per coin? Of course, we'll be asking this token to at least 12 to 14x in order to get to 10 cents. So keep that in mind. That's a high margin. And to say the least, that will not be easily accomplished. They are available on Twitter. It's a good way to keep up with everything that they're doing. They've also got a blog on Medium, another good way to keep up with what they're doing. So they listed successfully on PancakeSwap and Gate. They had a Gamium land sale, a SAT drop, and they've got some more information. And if you want to find out more on this company who's behind Gamium, because there is a company indeed who's behind Gamium, keep that in mind. They also had a partnership with Binance NFTs and Galler.io. But I can talk about more of these updates in another video. If you do like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know if I should make another video on Gamium. But realistically, if everything goes to plan for Gamium, which it does look quite positive, it does look quite promising, token can easily get to 10 cents without question. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in my next video.